said it.
Run when you hear that. You better run when you hear that. I said it. You better run. I said it. Run when you hear that.
This is a 4-year-old Enfield Classic. Does something look different to you? It's because of the tank protective casings, upgrade, refurbish and transform the way your original tank looks. Now we are not replacing your tank, we are just protecting it by adding the tank protective casing. It's made with a really high quality fiberglass reinforced plastic composite material. It installs on top of your tank in just a matter of minutes. Now this is not a skin, it's a protective casing and can protect your inner tank in case of a fall, scratch or any impact. It has a slightly tougher, more squarish, rugged shape, top quality paint raw material, top quality lacquer and the best processes of manufacturing that the industry knows of. It instantly refurbishes, upgrades and customizes your motorcycle.